Kalkadosh, Boker Or, Mishna Yomi Masechet Sanhedrin, Perek Zayin, chapter 7, Mishnah, Chet and Tet, 8 and 9. Hamchalel et Shabbat, if somebody is going to be Mechalel Shabbat, Bedavar shechayvim az zedono karet, something that a person is going to be chayav karet on it, which means that if he did it purposely, he's chayav karet, if there was no killing, meaning they're not going to kill him. So therefore, that's called zedono karet. Vel shigigato chatat. Now that's a general rule, by the way, in Ilchot Shabbat. By Ilchot Shabbat, if somebody is going to be Mechalel Shabbat, if there's witnesses in hatra'ah, meaning there's a warning in witnesses, he gets killed. What's the death penalty? Sekila. He gets sekila. What happens if there's no witnesses or there's no hatra'ah? Either or. What happens? So if he did it purposely, he gets karet. And if he does it accidentally, he has to bring a korban chatat. Okay, so he comes and he says, in any of these cases, so therefore that is going to be the case when he's going to be chayav, sekila, if he did it, stoning. Okay? Somebody's going to come and curse his father or his mother. He's only going to be chayav if he cursed them with the name of Hashem. But if he only used the kinui to curse them, so Rabbi says he's still going to be chayav. Chachamim says he's going to be patur. Next Mishnah, Mishnah Tet. Habal na'ara me'orasa. We spoke about that if somebody comes and has relations with a me'ureset, a woman that's me'ureset. We're talking about a kohen or we're talking about a Yisraelit or a Leviah? Huh? Which one? Anybody. Remember, by Irusin, it's always Sekila. Doesn't matter whether it's a Kohen or not. The only difference between a Kohen, a Bat Kohen, and everyone else is to do with the Nisu'ah. The Bat Kohen gets Srefa, Chazak Baruch. And a regular Yisraelit gets Chenek, Chazak Baruch. Very good. Baruch Hashem. Yesh Tikva. Abal Na'ara Morasa. Says the Gemara. Right? Kol HaKavod. Everyone's going. We're going. We're learning. Somebody comes and he has relations with a woman that she's already married, but again, marriage is the first step of marriage, which is putting on the tabat of the kiddushin. That's called irusin. Eno chayav ad shetehe na'ara. It has to be that he's only going to be chayav the stoning if she was a na'ara betula. She has to be a betula me'orasa, which means that she's the first step of marriage. Okay, vehi bevet avia. And she's in the father's house. Meaning, if in any of these things, let's say, for example, let's say she's younger or older than a nara, so then it's going to be chenek. It's not going to be stoning. Meaning, the only time that it's going to be stoning is only if she's a na'ara hameorasa, between 12 and 12 and a half. If it's going to be younger or older, it's not going to be stoning. It's going to be chenek, like the normal case, right? The same thing is let's say she wasn't a betula. So she wasn't a betula. Let's say that she had relations before getting engaged, and now all of a sudden she gets engaged, and now she's a na'ara hameorasa. And he has relations with her. Yeah, but she wasn't a betula, so he doesn't get chenek. He doesn't get sekila. Vehi bevet avia. It has to be that she's in the father's house. Ba'u aleh shnaim. One of the two men have relations with her. Harishon is going to be beskila. The first one gets sekila. Why? Because he was the one that actually did it. That she was a betula. The shani is going to get chenek because again she wasn't a betula, so therefore it's going to be only chenek.